In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a children's activity quiz in Canva. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly, so even if you've never designed anything before, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll have a fun, kid-friendly quiz layout that you can use for learning activities, parties, or classroom worksheets. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen for the Create button. This is your starting point for any new design in Canva. Go ahead and click on Create. This tells Canva that you're ready to start something from scratch or from a template, and it will open a small menu or take you to a page where you can search for different project types. Next, we're going to tell Canva exactly what kind of project we want by using the search bar. In that search box, type in the word quiz. As you type, Canva will suggest different formats like quiz worksheets, quiz presentations, or other quiz-related layouts. This is really helpful because it narrows down the templates to designs that are already structured for questions and answers, which works perfectly for children's activities. Take a moment to look through the quiz options that appear. You might see colorful templates with illustrations, simple black and white layouts for easy printing, or interactive style designs. Even though we're focusing on children's activity quizzes, you can start from any quiz format and customize it to be more kid-friendly later. For now, the main goal is just to get Canva into quiz mode, so you're working with the right type of project. Once you've selected the quiz format, Canva will ask you to choose the size of your design. This is an important step because it affects how your quiz will be used. If you're planning to print it as a handout, a standard document size, like an A4 or US letter page, usually works best. If you want something for screens, such as a tablet activity or a digital worksheet, a presentation or custom-sized canvas might be better. Go ahead and pick the size that matches how you plan to use the quiz. Remember, you can still resize and adjust later, but choosing the right size at the start will save you time and help everything fit nicely on the page. Once you've set that up, Canva will open your new blank quiz project and you'll be ready to start customizing it